We've seen a cold front move across the country over the last day or so. On Saturday afternoon, it lies over the southern part of Mozambique, still bringing in a number of showers over the eastern part of Mpumalanga, with a few thunder showers over parts of Limpopo, Gauteng and northern KwaZulu-Natal. Our satellite also shows this band of cloud extending from the south coast through to KwaZulu-Natal. Behind that cold front, a ridging high moves in, pushing in cloud and moisture and cooler air over the northeastern and eastern part of South Africa. We can expect a cooler day there, with isolated thunder showers over the eastern interior, the chance of rain along the east coast, but then fine and hot weather over the western part of the country. On our rainfall probability map for tonight, you'll see the highest chance of rainfall over the eastern part of South Africa, with isolated thunder showers as we head towards Gauteng, and the chance of rain along the east coast. In the Western Cape, we're expecting a southeasterly wind on Saturday night as well as into Sunday, and you'll actually see the wind direction follow the circulation of the high over the northeastern part of the country, with an onshore flow along much of South Africa's coastline and a strong easterly wind moving in along that south coast on Sunday afternoon. Now here's a special forecast for the Cape Peninsula with a cycle tour that's taking place. We're expecting a minimum of 15 degrees in the morning, so quite a cool start to the race, with a fresh easterly to southeasterly wind in Cape Town itself and a bit of cloud. However, in the afternoon we can expect lots of sunshine and a hot day at 30 degrees with a southeasterly wind forecast at the finish, but of course those wind speeds picking up, especially around Cape Point. Now Sunday morning starts off at 15 degrees for Appington, 10 for Kimberley, 12 for Bloemfontein and Bethlehem, 15 for Johannesburg, 12 for Port Elizabeth and Bishu, and a chilly night for Graaff-Reinet and Sutherland, both at 14 degrees. Then in the afternoon we can expect a high of 30 for De Aar and Cape Town, 23 for George, in the mid-20s along the Eastern Cape and KZN coast, with a cool day for Pietermaritzburg at 20, Johannesburg at 26 and Pretoria topping 28 degrees. Then our extended forecast takes us into Monday, where we have a sizzling hot day over the western part of the country, with those isolated thunder showers over the central and northeastern part of South Africa and the chance of rain along the east coast. On Tuesday, you'll see those thunder showers continuing over the interior, 41 degrees and partly cloudy for Appington, with a partly cloudy and warm forecast along South Africa's coastline.